Hello everyone. We have this question 2 power m plus 4 power m plus 8 power m equal to 155, and we have to solve this question for the value of m. So let's start the solution of this question. So 2 power m plus, we can write this 4 as 2 square all power m, and we can write this 8 as 2 power 3 all power m equal to 155. And now, using exponent rule, we can exchange these two values with one another. So we can write this 2 power 2 all power m as 2 power m all power 2, and similarly here we can write this as 2 power m all power 3, which is equal to 155. So now let's suppose that 2 power m equal to x. So we will put x over here. So the equation will become x plus x squared plus x cube equal to 155, like this. X plus x squared plus x cube equal to 155. And now we will send this 155 on other side of the equation, and then we will split this minus 155 into minus 5, minus 25, and minus 125 equal to 0. And now we will rearrange these values as x minus 5, this x minus 5, and then x square minus 25, this x square minus 25, and plus x cube minus 125, like this. So now we can write this as x minus 5 plus x squared minus 25. So this 25 we can write as 5 squared, and plus x cube minus this minus 125 we can write as 5 cube, which is equal to 0. So now we will use algebraic identities a square minus b square for here, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b, and here a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we will expand this equation according to these formulas. So let's expand it. So this is x minus 5, and this x square minus 5 square will become x minus 5 into x plus 5 according to this property. And similarly, this x cube minus 5 cube will become x minus 5 into x square plus 5x plus 5 square according to this property, and the whole equation equal to 0. And now these are three terms. One term is this one, second term, and third term. In these three terms, we have x minus 5 common. So x minus 5 here, here, and here. Therefore, we can take this x minus 5 as common. So after taking x minus 5 common from this equation, now we have 1 over here, and here we have x plus 5, and here we have x squared plus 5x plus 25, which is equal to 0. And now we can open these brackets and will add these values. So after opening the bracket and adding the values, this x minus 5 and this x square plus 5x plus x will become plus 6x, and 1 plus 5 plus 25 will become plus 31, and the whole equation equal to 0. And now we can compare these two values with 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0, and x square plus 6x plus 31 equal to 0. So let's x minus 5 equal to 0 and x square plus 6x plus 31 equal to 0. And this x minus 5 will become x equal to 5, and this x square plus 6x plus 51. So now we have one value of x, and this is our quadratic equation, x square plus 6x plus 31 equal to 0. And now we will solve this equation by quadratic formula. So according to quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, and divided by 2a. Here we have a equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to 31. So we will plug these values in this quadratic equation. So let's put these values. So this equation will become minus 6 because b equal to 6, and plus minus square root of 6 square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And now this equation will become minus 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 124, because 4 times 1 times 31 equal to 124. And now 36 minus 124 equal to minus 88. And we can write this minus 88 as 2 iota square root of 22, because 22 times 4 equal to 88, and this minus 88. So 4 will come out of the root in the form of 2, and then minus 22. So minus 22 can be written as minus 1 into 22, and under root minus 1 equal to iota. So therefore iota, this whole value can be written as 2 iota into square root of 22 divided by 2. And now from here we can take 2 common, so this will become 3 after taking 2 common, and this will become iota. And after taking 2 common from here, this 2 will cancel the 2, so the whole equation will become minus 3 plus minus square root of 22 iota. So now we can write these values separately, one time plus and one time minus. So now we have all three values of x, which is equal to 5. This is a real value, and these two values are complex values. But let's come back to our original question. And we have supposed here the value of 2 power m as equal to x. Therefore, now we can plug this x equal to 5. So let's put back the value of x equal to 5. And now we will take log on both sides of this equation. So after taking log on both sides of the equation, now we can use the property of log. So according to log property, this m will shift over here. So this will become m into log 2 equal to log 5. And now we will divide this equation by log 2 on both sides. So after dividing by log 2 on both sides, this log 2 will cancel this log 2. So the whole equation will become m equal to log 5 of base 2, and the value of log 5 to the base 2 equal to approximately equal to 2.32, and this is the value of m, which is our required value. With this, please remember we have this value, which is a complex value, and if you want to calculate the value of m from here, so you can put x equal to 2 power m, and after solving this equation, you can get the value of m as m equal to 1 divided by 2 log 31 to the base of 2 plus iota divided by ln 2 into pi minus 10 inverse into square root of 22 divided by 3. So this is the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.